Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the second changer app on this device. So first, let's launch the Play Store application, and then in the search we'll enter the X icon. X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So now tap to open the app. And here you will see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the contacts icon. You could rename it if you want by tap on the set it icon. Here we got library with different icons. So you could use them, or also you could use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from the default icons. So let's find the similar to the contacts one and tap to OK on the right upper corner. So now we could go to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new contacts icon, and we can see here the difference. Okay, let's find our default icon contacts, and this is the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.